How to log out of Telegram on iPhone. Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. In this video, we're going to be learning how we can log out of Telegram app on iPhone. So without any further ado or delay, let's get started with today's video. If you would like to log out your Telegram account from the phone, it is very simple to do so. The process is, by the way, a bit different on both Android and iPhones. In the case of Android, you can simply open up the Telegram app. Tap on the three lines icon from the top left of the screen, then simply go to Settings. To log out on Android, tap the three dots icon from the top right hand side, and there you'll find the logout button. But if you're on iPhone, you might not find it. On iPhone, you have to go towards the Edit Info section, and then only you'll find the logout button. So this way you can easily log out of Telegram from your phone. Hope this video helped you. If you have got any further questions, feel free to leave them down in the comments below. As always, thanks for watching till the very end, and see you soon in the next video.